how to add a new eSIM on the iPhone 17 or 17 Pro. Now on the home screen, open up settings, then scroll down and tap on cellular. In here, scroll down and tap on add eSIM. Next, in here you have several options. If your old iPhone uses an eSIM, you can choose transfer from nearby iPhone. So you need to place your iPhone close to the old iPhone. Or you can use QR code or transfer from Android. If you select transfer from Android, you need to make sure your Android device and carrier support the phone number transfers to iPhone. Now this is quite new, so in certain countries this function is not yet available. So we go back. The other option is to use QR code, which is quite common. So you tap on the scan QR code and point the camera at the QR code like so. Now depending on your specific network provider, sometimes they provide a QR code, sometimes they give you the code, activation code. So if they do not give you the QR code, you can choose to activate it manually with the activation code. So here, tap on use QR code and then tap on scan QR code and scan for the details. Once you have scanned for the QR code, and you can then proceed to continue setting up your eSIM. Now here you can choose enter details manually, and here your network provider would give you the address. So just simply enter in the address, the activation code. So they would give you the activation code and a confirmation code. So these details will need to be given from your network provider, or you can log onto the website and choose activate new eSIM, and they will provide you all the required details and information. After that, just simply tap on the next button. If the details are correct and verified, you will be able to continue to set up your eSIM. And that's it. Now we just wait for the activation of the new eSIM to complete. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.